Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon. So you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.
Good morning, my dear students. You already learnt about the continents. In last class I told about continents, and earth is our home, and indeed on its surface land mass and water is there, and you know already how much the percentage of land mass and how much percentage of water. No, and how many continents on our earth. So I already done two important and largest three continents. What are they? First one is largest continent in the world is Asia. Then second largest continent is Africa. Then third one is North America. Now South America. South America is fourth largest continent. Fourth largest continent, isn't it? Fourth largest continent, and South America and North America, both continents are separated by Panama Canal. What is that? Panama Canal. And how much space occupied in this continent? This continent occupies the area is 17 million square kilometer. 17 million square kilometer. And how many countries in this continent? There are 15 countries in this continent. Know that? So, in this continent, the area of this continent is 17 million square kilometer. M means million. Million means 10 lakh. 1 million means 10 lakh. It means 1 crore 70 lakh square kilometer, the area of this continent. Then how many countries in this continent? There are 15 countries in this continent. And the world largest water system is called Amazon. World largest water system or river system, water system or river system is called Amazon. Amazon, you know that word? Online shopping, Namma Angadi. So Amazon, that is largest water system or river system. Then highest falls. What is that highest fall? That Angel Fall. What is that called? Angel Falls. This fall is, and Amazon, the largest river system, both are located in this continent, means South continent. After complete this, next fifth one is Antarctica. Fifth one is Antarctica. Antarctica is fifth largest continent. This is fifth largest continent. And the area of this continent is how much then? 13 million square kilometer. How much? 13 million square kilometer. So how many countries in this continent? How many countries? See, 0. How many countries are there? 0. Why? Because in this continent is always covered by ice and snow permanently. Not only summer, not only winter, not totally in this continent covered by always in 365 days covered with ice and snow. Ice and snow. That's why in this continent people don't live. But some peoples are living in this continent, but that also which are conducting experiment or which are conducting invention. Those people living in this continent which are conduct experiment. Conduct experiments or invention only those people living in this continent. That's why no countries in this continent. Next, another one is Europe. Europe, this is second populous continent. This is fifth largest or second smallest continent. In this continent, how much area this continent occupies? In this continent, the area is 10 million square kilometer. More than 10 million square kilometer. And how many countries in this continent? There are how many countries in this continent means, see, totally 34 continents. How many? Sorry, 34 countries. How many countries? 34 countries. Countries in this continent. And next, another one, the Europe and Asia. Europe is the second populous country, and first Asia is first populous country. Both continents, Europe and Asia, both continents are on the same landmass, but they are separated by Ural Mountains. And Caspian Sea. Europe continent and Asia continent, both continents are on the same landmass, but they are separated by Ural Mountains and Caspian Sea. Next, another one and last one is Australia. Australia. Australia is seventh largest continent, and next this is the more than thousands of island continents. This Australia is continent of islands. Thousands of islands are located in this continent. So they are comprises in that Pacific Ocean. Thousands of countries. Thousands of countries means islands are comprises in the Pacific Ocean. Next, how much of area that this continent is occupies? The area this continent occupies is more than 10 million square kilometer. More than 10 million square kilometer. They are thousands of islands. This continent has thousands of continents. They are comprised in Pacific Ocean. The area of this continent 8 million square kilometer. And how many countries are there in this continent? There are 22 countries. There are 22 countries in this continent. Next, these continents are means Asia, Africa, North America, South America. Next, Antarctica, Europe and Australia. Totally 7 continents are there. In these continents, so many countries are there. These countries are divided by politically. They are divided or division by politically, and in these countries, which is biggest country or which is largest country? But you already know about largest continent. But now I am telling about country which is biggest or largest country in the world. Russia. Russia is largest country. Russia is largest country in the world. And which is the smallest country in the world, including all these continents? Which is the smallest country? Means Vatican City. Vatican City is smallest country. Vatican City is smallest country, and in this country the people of in this country is only 1,000. How many people in this country? Only 1,000. And the area of this country, means this Vatican City is 0.44 square kilometer. See, 0.44 square kilometer. So this is smallest country in the world, and this is the biggest country in the world. Okay students, you know about the all continents means 7 continents. on the earth, and in next class we will learn about the oceans. Okay, thank you.